Well, I'm still really pleased. Everywhere I go, I found really nice people. Everywhere I go, it's nice people. That lady told me all the places where to meet you, and gave me a very nice Latina vanilla latte and stuff. And then, well, I'm here in the cafe in Beamish is the place. Beamish. Beamish is it's not a town, it's not a village. It's a museum, believe it or not. Which is apparently very beautiful. You can see the whole village is in this map, and it takes like a couple of days to walk it all up, and it's not easy to find places, so it's a very interesting thing to see. But Beamish is exactly as it is. It's a museum. I thought Beamish was a village, which is a village, but inside a museum, and they restore all the houses and stuff from a long time ago. But yeah, again, I'm super happy. I'm going to enjoy my vanilla latte. And I'm so happy to meet these people in this coffee. And after here, we're gonna try to head. Then after that, we're gonna try to head to Bamburgh, Holy Island, and Alnwick Gardens. Alnwick Gardens, I think it is. Well, wish me luck. I'll see you later, guys. Love you.